Setting up and using the HP Latex Media Feed accessory with the HP Latex 700/800 printer series. In this video, you will see how to install and use the HP Latex Media Feed accessory with the HP Latex 700 and 800 series printers. The HP Latex Media Feed accessory enables you to print most substrates closer to pinches, improving the success rate of plots and reducing substrate waste. First, load the media normally. Place the media feed on the top of the printer with the weights towards the back and the magnets towards the front. Align the accessory with the rightmost edge of the media. Using the controls on the front panel, advance the media forward past the curing so that it can be looped back to meet the magnets of the media feed. For rigid materials, it may be necessary to advance the media farther to avoid unwanted wrinkles on the clean media. When looped, the backside of the media will be facing up. Separate the magnets. Place the leading edge of the media between the two flaps and align the media feed with the rightmost edge of the media. Close the flap by attaching the magnets together. Take the weights off from the top of the printer and place them on the ground. Using the controls on the front panel, rewind the media with the media feed attached, so that the magnets sit just past the print zone cutter. Avoid rewinding too far. The media feed could disconnect from the media or may cause wrinkles to form in the print zone. Use the print zone window to monitor the position of the magnets. In the HP Latex 800, the overhang length from the curing is 24 centimeters. In the HP Latex 700, the overhang length is 30 centimeters. The media is now ready to print. While printing, once the weights have reached the ground, the media feed may be removed by hand. Media feed must be removed carefully, avoiding any forceful movements of the media. The magnets may be hot after passing through the curing module. You can attach the media to the take-up reel on the fly. Before sending a plot, prepare the take-up reel with the desired core and print normally. Once the media leading edge reaches the take-up reel, attach the central section of the media to the core. Take care not to shift the media, as this may affect the print quality and alignment. As the media is still advancing, this process has a short time window, after which it will not be possible to attach the media to the take-up reel. Allow the media to advance, giving some slack to the take-up reel. Activate the take-up reel by turning the wheel on the right side forward. To ensure a good winding, flatten the corners of the media after one turn so that they do not become folded in the roll. The media is now attached to the take-up reel and will continue printing normally. Edge holders may be used with the media feed. Install edge holders in print zone platen, but do not place them over the media. Load the media feed. Once the media feed is loaded, place the edge holders over the media. The extra top margin should be set to 0 for optimal performance. Use the advanced settings on the front panel for those media containing this setting as a default. The extra top margin must be set to 0 for all substrates that have a default top margin greater than 0. Here are some other media considerations. If it is desired to use the media feed with medias having widths less than 48 inches, HP recommends trimming the accessory vertically to remove the leftmost weight. Take care to not trim past the sewn line securing the middle weight. The media feed must be stored in a proper manner. When not in use, the media feed should be folded in 3 sections and rolled. The media feed should not be rolled onto the take-up reel. HP does not recommend using the media feed with the following media: HP Everyday Matte, any textiles, and any wallpapers. HP does not recommend using the media feed during the following processes: printing for tiling applications, during the CLC/APA calibration processes, and during media advance calibration. The media feed should not be rolled onto the take-up reel. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages.